morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine, good, and safe at home. My dear students, we have already started a chapter that is new chapter that is addition. I have discussed some points related with addition. I have explained you addition without carrying. Today we are going to move on in the same chapter with the same chapter, but today we are going to discuss addition with carrying numbers. Okay, so let's move on and just see that what is there in this new topic. I'm also hoping that whatever things I have discussed in the last class, you all have completed it nicely. The multiple choice question which you are getting, or the extra questions like filling the blanks or the true false which I am sending, that also you are doing every day. Okay, and you are practicing also that every day. Please do practice it, my dear. Okay, your exam is going to be conducted nearby. Any day you will get the date sheet. So please revise all the chapter which we have completed as well as which is going on. Addition with carrying numbers. This is the topic of today. Addition with carrying number. I have already told you in the last class the number which we used to add, that is called as addend. When we used to add the numbers and the total which we used to get, that is called as the sum or the total of that number. We are going to move ahead with the next one, that is addition with carrying. Okay, these terms will remain the same, only carrying number we are going to add here. What is the definition of addition? When you combine two or more numbers or quantities, you are using addition. When you are adding two or more numbers, combine means adding two or more numbers, okay, or their quantities, the things, if you are adding or anything, then you are getting their addition, means you are getting the sum and the total. This is the definition of addition. You can see addition with carrying. While doing the addition with carrying, we have to first arrange the numbers according to the place value. So you can write the place value upside ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Then you will leave the space after writing that. Okay, because you have to write the carry numbers. And then you can arrange the numbers according to the place value which you have mentioned upside. Now let's start adding. From the ones place, 6 plus 5 will be 11. So you will write 1 downside and 1 will be written upside. Okay. Now 6 plus 2 you will get 8 plus 1 you will get 9. So you will write 9 downside. Now 2 plus 1 you will get 3 plus nothing is there because already one carry was there which you have written. Okay, there and you have added. So you will write 3 downside. 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, so whenever you are getting carry, my dear, okay, you have to write it upside, okay, of the next number which you are going to add. Okay, which you are adding, that there you will write the second digit downside, and which you are going to add next, upside of that you will write the carry numbers. You can see with this also, upside we will mention the place value, one line we will left for writing the carry numbers. We will start doing the addition from the right to the left. So right side the first number is, at the ones place is 8 and downside is 5. So 8 plus 5 will be 13. 13 is a 2-digit number, na? So 3 will be written down and 1 will be taken carry, which will be written on the next place, that is at the 10th place. Now let's start adding. 4 plus 7 will be 11 and plus 1 which was left, that will be 12. Again it is a 2-digit number. So the second will be again written down, which I have written 2, and 1 will be taken carry. Now move on with the third one at the 100th place. 3 plus 6 will be 9 plus 1 is 10, which is also 2-digit number. So you will write 0 down, 1 you will take carry. 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So you will get 9,023. 9,023. This is the answer you will get. Okay, this is the answer which you will get. Okay, so carry numbers we have to mention upside. Okay, it's not like that in the mind we are adding. No, you will show the carry numbers like this. Okay, you have to make the columns. In the columns is already made, you are having square line copy. In that you will mention the place values, and downside you will arrange the numbers according to the place value. You will add it, you will leave one line where you will write the carry number. You can see this one also. Here the number we are getting 6-digit number, till lakh we are getting. Upside you can see the same kind of copy you are having. Okay, you can see how neatly the place values are mentioned upside. Downside one line is left where you can write the carry numbers, and then you will start adding the numbers after arranging the numbers like this. From the right side start adding. So 4 plus 6 will be 10. 0 you will write down, 1 you will take carry. That one will be written on the 10th place which you are going to add. Okay, 10th place. Now 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. So 2 will be written down, 1 will be taken again, carry. Again we will add the next place, that is 100 place. 5 plus 4 is 9 and plus 1 is 10. 0 will be written again down and 1 will be taken, carry. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 is 6. You write 6 down. 2 plus 5 is 7. You write 7 down. And then 4 plus 1 is 5. You will write 5 down. Okay, now lastly there was no carry number, so the numbers whatever you will get in the last you will write as it is. After that you will read, you will see that you are getting the number, that is 5,76,020. This is the number which you have got after adding both the numbers. Here also you can see here you can see it is a 7-digit number. So first of all I have mentioned the place value upside till the 10th lakh. Okay, after that one column I have left for writing the carry numbers, and then after that I will write the numbers. I will arrange the numbers according to the place value which I have mentioned upside. So first we will start adding from the ones place. So 7 plus 5 will be 12. So 2 you write down, 1 you take carry. After this 5 plus 8 will be 13 plus 1 is 14. You write 4 down and 1 you take carry. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. So 2 will be written down and 1 will be taken carry. Again you will add 8 plus 3 will be 11 plus 1 is 12 again. 2 will be written down and 1 will be again taken carry, which will be written on the next place. Now 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So 1 will be written down and 1 will be taken carry. We always used to write the second digit downside and first digit we used to take carry. 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5 will be written down and nothing is left to take carry. Now 7 plus 1 is 8. So we will get 85,12,242. Okay, when we have added these 7-digit number, these two 7-digit numbers, we have got 85,12,242. This one is the last example which I am giving. Here you can see the number which you are getting here is a 9-digit number, I think. 9 to 8 digit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-digit number it is. So it means till crore it is. Upside the place value is not mentioned, but you will mention the place value. First of all, arrange the numbers as per the place value chart. Okay, here the numbers are arranged according to the place value chart. Although the place value is not mentioned upside, but you have to mention that. After that you write the number according to the place value downside. You will arrange it. Then you will start adding from the right side to the left side. You will go in this direction, right to the left. Now let's start adding from the ones place. 2 plus 3 is 5. No carry number is there. 7 plus 0. Any number is when added with 0, we get the number at 7. So 7 we will get. 4 plus 8 we have got 12. So 12 is a two-digit number. So 2 is written will be written downside and 1 will be taken carry, which will be mentioned upside of the next digit which we are going to add. 2 plus 9 is 11 plus 1 is 12 again. You write 2 downside, 1 you take again carry. 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 1 is 5. Now 8 plus 7 is 15. So 5 only will be written down, 1 will be taken again carry. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 1 is 8. 3 plus 4 is 7. So while by doing the regrouping of this number, we have got 7 crores 85 lakhs 52,275. Okay. So this is how we used to do the addition with carrying. Okay. The second digit we always used to write down. The first we used to take carry. We always used to do the addition after arranging the numbers in the place value chart, and we always start from the right side from the ones place. Okay, so that is all, my dear. I hope you have all understood nicely how we used to arrange the numbers, how we used to write the numbers according to the column, how we can add the number, from which side we have to start adding, where we have to write the carry numbers, how we used to add the carry numbers. These all I have explained in this video. Please go through it and watch it nicely so that you will be able to solve the exercise properly without any problem. That is all. Thank you, everyone.